Okay, let's look at some applications of the previous rule, the power rule. If we have this function x to the power 5 over 3, if we take its derivative, we get 5 over 3 times x to the power 2/3, and this is valid for all x because this is defined for every x, this expression. In the next example, we have function 1 over square root of x, and if we take the derivative, let's write first this as a power, so this is x to the power minus 1 over 2. If we take the derivative, this minus 1 over 2 comes as a multiple, and we decrease the exponent by 1, so we get this expression. But this time, you see there's a square root here. This means we are taking a square root, and this is in the denominator, so let's write it in this way, x cubed, right? So it is something like this. So this means that we cannot put x equals 0 in the expression because it's in the denominator, and since this expression must be positive or non-negative, it cannot be less than 0. So this is only valid for x greater than 0. Okay.